Most people sign up for Walmart, thinking it will automatically save them money every month. Then, they end up wondering if they actually got any real value from it. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart is not for everyone, and whether it is worth it depends completely on how you shop and how often you use its benefits. In this video, you'll get an honest breakdown of whether Walmart is worth it in 2026 so you can decide before spending a single dollar. Let's break it down clearly. Walmart is a membership program inside the Walmart app that offers benefits like free delivery, fuel discounts, and member pricing on select items. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The real value is not in one feature. It is in how often you actually use all the features together. Let's start with delivery. If you order groceries or household items regularly, Walmart can save you a lot of delivery fees. But here's the problem most people don't realize. If you only shop once or twice a month, those savings barely add up. Now think about fuel savings. At participating stations, Walmart members can get discounts per gallon. For someone like Jake who drives daily, that adds up fast. But for someone who rarely drives, it barely matters. So the real question is not what Walmart offers. The real question is how often you use it. Now let's talk about another hidden factor. Many users forget that the membership also includes early access deals and member-only pricing on some items. This can help during big shopping periods, but again, only if you are actively buying through Walmart. Imagine Alex, a busy parent who orders groceries weekly, fills up gas regularly, and shops household essentials online. For Alex, Walmart pays for itself easily. But now imagine someone who only shops in-store occasionally and rarely uses delivery or fuel discounts. For them, the membership becomes optional, not essential. Now here's a simple way to decide. If you use Walmart services multiple times a week, Walmart is likely worth it. If you only shop occasionally, you may not get enough savings to justify it. Another important point is convenience. Some people value time more than money savings. If you hate store trips and prefer delivery, Walmart becomes more valuable even if the financial savings are moderate. Let's simplify everything. Walmart is worth it if you shop regularly, use delivery often, or drive frequently and want fuel savings. It is not worth it if you are a light or occasional Walmart shopper. The biggest mistake people make is signing up without tracking how often they actually use the benefits. That leads to paying for a membership they barely use. So here's the honest conclusion. Walmart is powerful for frequent users, but unnecessary for casual shoppers. If this helped you understand whether Walmart is worth it, like, comment, and subscribe for more clear and honest breakdowns like this.